Let's start.
Hello class, we are going to continue with our training. Today we start with the puzzle lab. I'm going to show you some features of the puzzle lab. When you open the puzzle lab, this is what you're going to see. By default, this is what you are going to see. So these are all background. All this you are seeing is the background. You can edit these things for your work. Edit them for your work. So these are background. Okay. But normally what we'll be using for our project is the default one. This is what we'll be using most. So this is background. Let's go to the next one. We have here the edit. The star will come to it later. So let's come to the edit. The edit. This is where you're going to edit your text. So I can edit my text. I can write something like Dantec. Okay, so you can see I've written Dantec. I can delete it. The delete checkup. So you can check the delete, then it will delete it. But you can bring it back or undo it by clicking on this arrow, the left arrow, and it will undo it. And you can click on copy to give a multiple copies. So copy, and it will copy them for me. I just want us to work on only one, so I'll delete the rest. And to front to back, you come to it later. Position, you're going to position your text. You're going to use it to position your text or your image. Relative position, you go into it later. The size, we'll go into it later. Now later change, you can change the color. You can change the color of the text. You can change it by default color or the gradient. The gradient is the mixture of two or more colors. So you can change it by the gradient. And this plus has its own uses, and we'll go into it later. We have the texture. I want to go into it later. We have the opacity. Opacity is one powerful tool in Puzzle Lab, and I want to go into it later. Okay, let's come to fonts. Font, that's where you're going to choose your font size. So let's choose something like this. Okay. So as you can see, it has changed the font. Can bolding our text. I click on this bold. Can italic it. Can underline it. These are all choices that you can choose. You can cancel it with this cancel T. So these are all choices. And the curve, can curve your text. Normally we use this for logo and so on. Okay, I'll go into them later. Text background, can background your text. When you enable it, it will give you a color. Then choose the color you want. You can come to gradients, choose the gradients. All these ones, we'll go into them later. They have their own uses. And okay, and align text. I want to go into it later. The stroke. Stroke is one of the powerful tools. That one, let me show you how it works. So let's enable this one. When you enable this one, it has changed the color of the border. The stroke is to give your work a border. So you see the Dantec, the border is changing to black. So this is how the stroke works. can change the border of your text or your work or your image. You can change them. So this is how it works. But we'll go into them later. It has many features. Shadow, give your work a shadow.